Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was a bit hard to diagnose this time because it was having a very weird issue. The whole sensor of the machine was not detecting how much coffee was inside the machine, but it was doing it intermittently. So sometimes it will do coffee normally, just fine, it will just reproduce it, but then it will just not do anything. It will grind the coffee, it will just do the whole process, go into the generator, and then it will just flash this light. It will not do anything. It will lower the brew unit, and then it will deposit the dry ground coffee beans inside the tray of the machine. And it was doing it constantly, and we had to go inside, disassemble the whole machine. We got into the whole sensor of the transmission. This whole sensor detects how many rotations are in the transmission. As the transmission rotates, the brew unit goes up or down, and this over here tells how many, where exactly the brew unit is and how many rotations it did. So for some reason this one was not working very well. We replaced it, and now as you can see, we're gonna be doing another coffee. It's gonna be working. So let me just get a bit of coffee because I recently just cleaned the grinder. I took the grinder apart and I cleaned it a bit. So clean the door spouts and a couple other things. And now we're gonna be testing this espresso machine. 2 ounces. This one is going to be in the minimum. And now we're gonna be doing a shot of espresso. Beans are getting grounded into this funnel over here. They're going into the brew unit. Brew unit is moving all the way here, going to the generator, where it's going to start extracting the coffee by pushing the water pump, pushing water through the thermoblock, pushing water through the brew unit, and then going into the spouts. Previously, this machine was not doing any of this. It was just showing you this light, and it will just throw the dry coffee beans inside. Now we've been testing this machine quite a lot. We've been doing a lot of coffees as well to make sure that it was not replicating the same issue and there were not any other additional issues as well. We've been grinding a lot of coffee. We've been using making the machine work a lot, and we have not been able to replicate the same problem that we had with this whole sensor. This light has not come on. It's been constantly giving us the exact same quantity. Whatever we increase or decrease this, it works with the matte setting as well. We're gonna be doing a coffee just to show you as well. You can see it's a bit more thicker in color, darker, and good quantity, good cream as well. Much more coffee inside. Looking great. Now, because we're here, let's test the hot water as well. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Oh, we ran out of water. As you can see, the water tank sensor definitely works, and the water sensor magnet definitely works. Let me get some water. Perfect. Now we can continue testing the hot water one. Nice steady stream, really good flow, excellent temperature as well. And now we're gonna be using the steamer function of the machine. It's It's gonna take a bit for the thermoblock to reach that temperature, but once it reaches that temperature, we're gonna see some steam coming out to the one. Then it will get a little bit more hotter when it's gonna be consistent, and we're gonna see now a nice steady steam coming out of the machine, as you can see right now. It's getting all the way to pressure. Nice steam coming out of the one. Doing excellent. Smelling excellent. Working great. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. Thank you so much for repairing that Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.